sick.
That was sick.
What's up, everybody? Justin Fio back with another video. Currently cruising the 2G. We're headed out to Bradenton tonight. We're gonna be checking out the Freedom Factory. Cleetus is actually having a burnout contest, so figured let's get out there, hopefully see some rowdy stuff. My buddy that I'm gonna be meeting there has a Cadillac that's Duramax swapped that you guys seen in a previous video that a lot of you guys were interested in. And he also has a Ram 1500 that's Cummins swapped that makes some pretty crazy power, and he's gonna be hopping in the contest as well. So hope to see some rowdy stuff tonight. Plan on having a real great night. First time being to the Freedom Factory, so I'm gonna bring you guys along the way, and I'll see you guys there.
Sheesh, my boy.
We have arrived to the good old Freedom Factory. So we're over here with Madman Meehan. We just got out here to the Freedom Factory, and he's got this pretty rowdy. This is what, a Ram 1500,
Ram
but
1500.
Cummins swap, correct? If you could tell us a little bit about this thing.
Well, it's a 2006 1500, all stock 1500 frame, stock rear end, stock everything. Just got a common rail stock, you know, 5.9 common rail in it with a 48 RE, manual valve body. Nothing too special, just, you know, it's lightweight. It weighs under 5,000 pounds.
Yeah, this thing's sweet.
So,
but I know you're ready to blow these tires off over here,
I'm fixing to shred it. I got 2 more tires. I'm gonna shred. Hopefully I can pop all 4 tonight.
They don't call him Madman for no reason.
That's right, gotta send it.
Can we see under the hood of this thing too?
Yeah, sure, pop it.
So fuel and air wise, what's done to this?
I don't remember the name of the injectors, but it has 200% overs. It's got dual stock pumps. It's got a S475, just a box stock S475. I put the factory clutch fan back on it just for the burnout comp tonight. You know, paid some extra clearance up there. And
so do you remove the rear brakes as well, correct?
yeah, got rid of the rear brakes just for burnouts.
It's a full sender right here.
Yeah. And she's pretty rowdy. Probably makes about 1,000.
Around 1,000?
Yeah, about 1,000.
Excited to see this thing shred. You got the Cadillac here too?
Yeah, Cadillac's out there.
People will remember that thing. I know a lot of people are asking about it, so we got to show. His Cadillac is pretty unique, but if you guys are interested in it, you're gonna have to wait and see it. But hopefully get some nice burnouts going, kind of see what else is out over here, and bring you guys along the way. So let's get it.
Yeah.
You ready to send this thing or what, my man?
Ready to send it. We're gonna head on out there. We're gonna see if we can burn these burners off. See what happens.
Let's do it. Good luck, brother.
Send it, bro.
Now this is an 06 Cummins common rail. The whole thing's built, says it will make 1,000 horsepower, but right now he has it turned down. He's just gonna do a quick test, make sure that his hose don't pop off, but we're ready when you are, Travis.
Let's go, Travis. Come on now. So what happened there? Was the intercooler pipe or something?
Yeah, broke the intercooler pipe, and actually the clamp crushed it. So I'm gonna re-bevel it out so she don't slip out no more. A little 5-minute fix here. Hopefully we can keep it rolling.
She'll be ready to rip again.
Oh, yeah. This is that the backwoods freaking hillbilly fix here.
There we go. That's what we like to see.
Bead rollers at the shop, not here.
That is how you do it.
So after that last rip, everything seemed to hold up good, huh?
Yeah, she held up good. Boost hose didn't come off. We're good to go. My little fixed it.
What was she banging around RPM wise?
It was about 5,000 on the tach.
crap.
So it was right there at 5,000. Just sat right there. So my foot was to the floor.
Full ripper.
The EGTs were hot. EGTs, I don't know what they are. I ain't got no gauges on that. But the water temp on the dash was only about 175.
It's just a number though, right?
Yeah, it's just a number. I don't even care.
But yeah, we're gonna see this thing doing some donuts too, huh?
Yep, going out there to go do some ripping with Cleetus.
Sweet, that's gonna be sick. Definitely a certified ripper though, for sure. This is what we live for out here, man. That was sick.
Hell yeah.
She was about there, huh?
Yep, almost there.
Wait, buddy.
Big pimpin' right here.
It's not done with anything until you get a tire change.
All the big boys coming out to do some tug of war.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, rip!
What the hell you gonna do? But on my go, you do whatever you do. 3, 2, 1, go! She's hot. Very hot.
Came in when you were getting beer a while ago.
So I've seen this on the channel a few months back, but I see a little more air over here, man.
Right.
This is a Cadillac with Duramax swap. Give them a little rundown on it.
Yeah, it's a 75 Fleetwood with a LB7 Duramax. Now it's got a pusher compound setup on it.
Big old snail.
That's it. I'm gonna be next up. I'm gonna put injectors in it, probably 100% overs. You know, something big and obnoxious, and then stroker pump. Gotta put a training in it. That's coming soon too. But yeah, she's ripping now. The compounds runs a lot better.
Once the trans is done, we're gonna see this old girl.
I'm hoping probably November.
I'm sure you'll see this thing around. It definitely stands out wherever it goes. And you said you're also building a Rolls Royce, right?
Yeah, I'm building a Rolls Royce with a blower motor in it.
So we got tons of stuff coming with this, guys.
I got all the projects, man. Got all the projects.
It's crazy.
fit perfect.
I'm gonna say you make it fun.
I think yours is done, I thought it.
Yeah, it's not even.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Had a badass time at the Freedom Factory. We got tons of things coming. I'm also going to be at that event that Cleetus is having in November. So if you're in the area, definitely make it out to that. But please don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the bell for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.